Hey everybody, it's CreativeSarah and I am introducing you the June 2023 color of the month. It's called Midnight and it is the most beautiful navy blue color, perfect for your patriotic or your lake life, your beach, your anything you want colored midnight. It's gorgeous. I'm doing this really cool freedom transfer just to show you how it looks. This is on a white background. It's a wooden white background. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so cool. Look at that, super navy blue. I love it. So I'm just gonna dry this and then I'm gonna go ahead and get a bigger frame, and this is one of our box frames, and I'm gonna just put some foam adhesive on the back to pop it up. So we're gonna have this 3D frame. Oh, it's so cool. Wait till you see it. It's going to be the perfect addition to my patriotic decor. Very simple. After I got it centered, it's on there. And then all I'm going to do is take a little bit more of that midnight and we're just going to paint the edge around the frame. So simple, so easy. You're going to want to click the link that's in the comments. Get your midnight before it is sold out. This will sell out. It's the color of the month, so make sure you log in, go to the website, and grab your midnight.